and welcome to today's video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a makeup. What is a makeup? Like, am I okay? A makeup look inspired by my Zodiac sign. Oh, my contact just shifted. For those of you that do not know, I am an Aquarius. So like, you know, we a little bit crazy, we a little bit kooky, we a little bit fun, we a little bit everything. So because Aquariuses are quirky and different, I'm gonna be doing a smoky eye, but I'm going to be making it blue. I know, crazy, never been done before. Like, it's original, like I'm an original YouTuber channel person. Honestly, blue smoky eyes are so like 2 years ago. That sounds so dumb to say, but it really is. I really didn't want to show the long process of me putting on my eyebrows and doing my face. So I was like, let's just skip that part and jump straight into the eye look and then do the rest of the face. So that's what we're doing. I am first going to go into the Morphe 25L palette. She said gay rights. I really can't get over that this thing has a mirror. Like, you get to see my ugly ankles. Can you see that? Do you see a mirror? A freaking mirror. Actually, I can cuss. A fucking mirror. So the first color I'm going into is this color right here called Art. It's this really nice kind of blue-green, teal, seafoam green, mint cream. I'm really bad with colors. It's that. It looks like that. I'm going into an R39 brush and just dipping into the color Art. And I'm gonna put this in my crease. That green kind of matches my shirt. Like, unintentional matching. Like, that's really weird. Ooh, that makes me suspicious. Like, this is off to a good start. This is off to a good start. Hopefully I just didn't jinx it. I am now going into the James Charles X Morphe palette. There's a little bit of, that's makeup remover. I was cleaning my brushes, okay? Leave me alone. I'm gonna go into this color right here. Don't know the name. I lost the little name thingies, so if you know the name, like, good for you. There's that hair. I've been looking for this. I felt something on my face this whole video, and now I finally got it. I could live at peace now. I'm gonna be taking this color into the same exact brush and then just blend it out like I did with the color before. Honestly, I'm not mad at it. I ain't mad at it at all. For the next color, I'm going into a third palette. I'm gonna be going into the Sugar Pill Pro palette. It's customizable, so everyone looks different. These are the colors that I chose. Some of these are discontinued, so you may not find them. So I got some rare ones. I'm gonna be going into this shade right here, which is called Velocity. I am once again taking it on the same brush, R39 if you want to know. I'm not a makeup expert, I just do what I think is right, and for some reason, the universe, the stars, the planets are telling me to just use the same brush for this whole entire tutorial. But that's just me, you know? Maybe it's not saying that for you guys. Okay, and then yeah, just blend it out, like make it go like a gradient, like a blue sunset. That's all I gotta say. Now I'm going back into the James Charles palette once again. This time I'm going into this nice blueberry shade, which is right here. And I'm gonna put this more toward my lid and focus it away from the crease and like stop blending out every single color the way I am doing, because for some reason it's not making a smell. I just scratched my palette. That's so depressing. I just scratched the yeah, once again, you know the drill. Just take it on a brush and blend out. I'm gonna take this really cheap brush from Target and I'm gonna go into the shade called NYC in the 25L palette. It's just a black. I just needed a black and I don't want to use either of these two blacks. I have a separate single eyeshadow that is black for Sugar Pill. My favorite eyeshadow, Bulletproof eyeshadow, amazing. Best black eyeshadow I've ever had in my entire life. The James Charles palette, I'm gonna save that black because I've used it, but I like the Bulletproof more than I like the James Charles one. But I've never tried this one, so I'm gonna see how good this one is and then gauge which one I would rather use next time. So yeah. Okay, now that I have that black on my eye, I'm just gonna go back into the 25L palette. I just got it, just got this palette, so I've been really excited to try out all these different shades from it, so that's why I'm using it so much. I used to be really obsessed with the James Charles palette, but now that I have the 25L, the Sugar Pill Pro, and the James Charles, I feel like I have all the shades that I need to make any colorful look that I can possibly think of. So I'm really grateful for that. I feel #blessed. I'm going into the shade called Peace, and I'm going to take it on my finger and then put it on the black part in my eye, and hopefully it will kind of open up my eyes, because right now I kind of look like a hollow, I look like a doll. Like I look like someone just took out my eye and I have no eyes. Like you can't see them. So I'm gonna try to open them up a little bit with this little sparkly. I just looked at myself on my phone and literally, do y'all see that? I'm gonna clean this up and then I will come back and then we will start working on the face, because I just need to fix the situation right now because she looks like that. I'll be right back. I literally can't with myself. I'm leaving. I literally should quit YouTube. I am back. I have returned. I fixed it up a little bit. There's a couple layers of foundation on my face that just got added, but that's fine. I'm gonna be working on my face now, and I'm going to first step go into my contour. Listen, like I say in every video, this is the only palette I have that has any contour colors. So we're gonna let me do this, and then once this palette runs out, I will just stop using her products, okay? Okay. So I'm going to use these two colors right here. This is going to be my contour and this is going to be my highlight. I'm just gonna go into this color right now and darken and then lighten. Yeah, just follow along. I'm going in this brush. This is a really cheap brush. I got it from Amazon. Now I'm going into the angled brush, and I will use this brush to go into my highlight and just, you know, lift the flame. I'm just gonna put this brush into this color and then put it on my face. Okay, I'm tired. I have messed this up so many times. I just want to get it over with. Okay, honestly, she ain't looking that bad. She ain't looking that bad. I'm debating if I want to put on bronzer. You know what? We'll put on bronzer. To get myself a little bit more tan, I'm going to go into the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in the shade Bronze. This is my brush that I used to put on my bronzer. I don't know why, I just decided a long time ago when I first started that this is my certified bronzer brush, because I love bronzer. And now to finish up my face, I'm gonna go into blush, and for blush, I'm gonna go into the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Risque. And I'm gonna take it on this really cheap Daiso brush and, you know, just put on my brush, blush. Why am I mispronouncing words today? Oh my God. Is it like, is Mercury in retrograde or something? Like, am I just not aware? Honestly, that's really it. I'm gonna try to contour my nose. I will attempt to walk you through how I do it, but it ain't gonna be the prettiest thing you've seen. So let me just start what. I'm going to take this brush right here. This brush right here will go in to this shade in the contour palette, dipping it in. This is a really cheap brush. Use whatever you want. You can use your finger, you can use, I usually use my finger, but I'm trying to be fancy, so I'm using a brush. But once I get that dark contour color, I'm going to put it underneath my nose. That kind of gives the illusion that my nose has a shadow. That it means it's not like a round nose like it is. I'm a genius. Going into my R36 brush, I'm going back into my bronzer and I'm going to take a little bit of it and put this along the sides of my nose. Then after that, I'm going to take this cheap angled brush that I got from Amazon, which is right here, going back into that highlight color and putting this in the middle of my nose and along the sides to kind of smooth out everything. I have to do a lot to get this nose to like come down a little bit. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Gonna leave it at that. I am now going to be putting on my lashes and doing my mascara and doing my eyeliner, and then I will be back. We will put on the lip, and then I will put on the wig, and then we will be done. So I will see you guys in a bit. So my eyelashes are now on. I did my under eye, and I got my wig and my clothes, and we are almost done with this look, and I am so excited because honestly, I'm kind of feeling it. Like, I'm kind of getting this fantasy. I'm going into the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Yash, and I'm just gonna put this on my lips. Oh. So I am now going to be putting on the Born This Way concealer in the middle of my lip. I'm gonna try to get like a little ombre effect going, so let's hope that it's good. Should I have started with the lighter shade? Who knows? Not gonna lie, I like this ombre, but I am really obsessed with lip gloss right now. So to top everything off, I'm going to put the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss on top of this. I know I'm being a little extra, I'm being a lot, but you know what, we're an Aquarius, so we gotta be extra, we gotta be a lot, and we just gotta be crazy with it. I am now going to be doing highlight, and for my highlight, I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm gonna go into this nice shade called Bubbly, which is right here. So I'm gonna take it on the brush that I used earlier to contour, which is the R36. I'm gonna take it into my brush right there, and then I'm just gonna put it there. I don't know how much I put because I can't see, but hopefully it was enough, and if not, oh well. I'm not a highlighter girl, being completely honest, so I don't really care if it did anything. I just put it on just for the clout. All in all, I think I actually like this look. I feel like it kind of embodies Aquarius. When did that strap come out? Let me put her, tuck her back. She wasn't supposed to be out. What is she doing? I hope you guys like this look because I actually had a lot of fun doing this really cute blue kind of look thing in my eye. Really surprised at how it turned out, and I actually really like it. So I think I like deserve points for this. Wait, almost forgot one thing. It ain't a video that I made if it doesn't have my signature, crusty, dusty, ugly, head ass nail gloves. That's right, forgot to put them on. How could I forget? Such a tragedy. Oh, and now we're here. I'm feeling the fantasy. Honestly, nail gloves on, everything is good. I feel right, I feel complete. Everything is good now. Now I can do the outro. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you did not like it, that is probably because you don't like Aquariuses. And if you don't like Aquariuses, then you can choke. Because Aquarians are the leaders of change. And you, person, what has any other sign ever done for anything in the entirety of anything? All I gotta say, memorable Aquariuses. Albert Einstein, just to name one. Let me just name another one. You want me to name another one? Abraham Lincoln. That ain't enough, that ain't enough, that ain't enough. Galileo. I don't know if he is actually. Probably. I mean, I wouldn't doubt it. Harry Styles. He's an Aquarius. Nikita, no, actually, no, wait, no. You can have that one. Pretend I didn't say anything. They ain't Aquarius, they ain't Aquarius. We're pretending like we don't know them. Honestly, that's all I got. Probably like Yoko Ono was an Aquarius or something, I don't know. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to go down to the links below where you guys can see links to all of my other videos. There is always something fun down there, so just go check it out. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Bye, Baes. Mwah. Aquarius is who? I am an Aquarius. Oh. That did not work with my nail gloves. My nail gloves said no voguing at all in this video.